Hello, happy Halloween. It is Wednesday night, 6:30, October 31st, and it's Yvonne de Celis from YDCtv saying hello, and also want to do the temporal tap. Just going to do the temporal tap exercise by itself, and also wanted to just mention, I didn't mention this before, and I have to try to remember it in every video. One thing that's very important when you're doing energy work, energy medicine of any kind, is that you put your intention behind what you're doing. This will be a good exercise example of this because when you do the temporal tap, you're literally tapping on your temporal area and into the parietal lobe. When you tap, you give yourself affirmations. You can say them aloud or you can just keep them in your head. You don't have to say them out loud. Sometimes I say them out loud and sometimes I don't vocalize them. But you want to do the negatives on the left side and the positives on the right. And what I mean by that, just as an example, is I'm not going to let MS get me. I'm not going to let fibromyalgia win. These illnesses won't affect me. I'm going to be very healthy. I'm going to find money. I'm going to be fine. Most important thing when you're doing the tapping and you're giving yourself the affirmations, whether you say them aloud or not, make sure you put your intention behind what you're saying. When I learned this exercise from Donna Eden, one thing she said that really stuck with me is if you say one thing and think something else, what you're thinking is what you're tapping to. You're not tapping to what you're saying if you're thinking something different. So it's very important that you focus your intention on what you want as you're doing this. So again, that's the temporal tap by Donna Eden. I will be back again sometime in the not so distant future. I did just want to put this up and once again want to wish everybody a very happy, safe Halloween. As always, thank you so much for your time. Namaste. Please don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. I'd just love to hear from you and would also like to hear it if you have any requests for something for me to put up. Anyway, peace and light. Take care of yourselves. Ciao.